Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to close an open group on the WhatsApp app for PC after the new update. If you've been using WhatsApp on your desktop and want to tidy up your chat list, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. First, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once the app is open and your chats are fully loaded, take a moment to scroll through your chat list to find the group you want to close. This can be any group conversation that is still visible and active in your list. Next, click to open that group. Opening the group helps you make sure it's the right one, so there's no confusion about which chat you're about to close. You'll see the group messages and the list of participants just like you normally would. Now, once you're certain you're in the correct group chat, move back to the left-hand chat list. Right-click on the group name. A small menu will immediately appear, giving you several options. From this menu, look for the option labeled Close Chat. Go ahead and click on Close Chat. The group will now be closed from your main chat list view. This doesn't delete the group permanently, and you'll still be a member of it, but it removes the open conversation from your visible list, helping you keep things neat and organized. If at any point you receive a new message in that group, it will reappear in your chat list, ready for you to open again. This feature is really handy after the new update, especially for those who are part of multiple groups and want to keep their WhatsApp desktop app clutter-free. Closing a chat streamlines your chat list without losing access to the group or its history. And that's it. Just 4 simple steps. Open the app, open the group, right-click on the chat, and choose Close Chat. Quick, easy, and effective. If you found this helpful, be sure to organize a few of your groups right now so your WhatsApp feels lighter and more efficient. Thanks for watching.